So today I'm here with my mom. Hi. We are making nachos and we're at Sprouts buying groceries. Groceries. Oops, she just dropped an avocado. That's okay, I'll get it. Just bought sour cream. She's buying hash browns. Mom, it's upside down. It's upside down. There it is. All right. Blanch your potatoes. Like so. Cooking the guac, yes. All right. Get your condiments ready. You got your beans, you got your sour cream, you got your roasted corn, and guac. All right, dump your ready potatoes, blanched potatoes in there. All right, put your lime. Yes, there it is. Put some paprika, like so. Put some cumin. My mom is my assistant for today. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
All right, I'll put some salt. And then you're just gonna mix everything. Put it on a baking sheet. For 50 degrees. Put your potatoes in a bowl. All right, we're gonna add our toppings. We're going to add our beans. We're going to add our roasted corn that I got from Trader Joe's. Shout out Trader Joe's. We're gonna add the guac, which is my favorite part. Delicious. And then last and least, the sour cream. Not my favorite, but it does add a kick to the guac. There it is. Yummy. And there's our nachos. That's it. Potato nachos.